You're under arrest.
Arrest? I don't feel like I'm under arrest. How about you, Brian?
Nah, not a bit. Not even a little bit.
I'll just give it a minute. It'll sink in.
You didn't kill those feds. Those Reyes.
I don't give a shit. Just here to bring in two assholes whose names hit my desk.
Yeah. That sounds like a real hero.
That's funny. From a guy who took the oath of a cop and then went against everything it stood for, or some wannabe tough guy prick who beat a man half to death with a socket wrench. Yeah, real tough. You turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I don't think so.
Your mistake is thinking you've got a goddamn choice, boy.
Your mistake? Thinking you're in America. You're a long way from home. This is Brazil!
I'll see you soon, Toretto.
Look forward to a cop.